Hello students, welcome to your IT class, and today we are going to start with the syllabus of class 10 code number 402. The very first chapter is web applications, and the web application chapter is all about networking techniques, what network is, how we are going to apply various topologies and various switching techniques. But before learning that, we will learn a small topic of accessibility. What accessibility is, why do we need the accessibility options, and how we are going to launch the accessibility options. First of all, let's define the term accessibility. Accessibility is the way to customize the functioning of computer parts that enables people with disability or impairment to use a computer. That means we are going to change the way of functioning of computer parts so that disabled or impaired people can use the computer very easily. Why do we need accessibility options? We need accessibility options for the impaired one. Impairment like low vision, color blindness, paralysis, deafness, speech impairment, etc. Like they are having problem with the vision, they have a problem in identifying various colors, they have deafness problem, they have speech recognition problem, etc. So for those people we need various accessibility options, or we need to customize our computer system so that they can also use in various circumstances. So how we are going to launch these accessibility options? First of all, go to start button of your computer system, then open the control panel. In the control panel you will have ease of access center, and in the ease of access center you have a list of various accessibility options. First is your magnifier. Magnifier, as the name suggests, what does it do? It allows you to see large fonts. तो क्या करेगा आपका? It will magnify the font size so that people having blindness or low vision can easily read the text on your screen. Next option we are having is narrator. Narrator is someone who reads for us. Okay, same way in accessibility option, narrator enables to read aloud what is on screen. Like whatever is on the screen, output will be read out for the user. Next option we are having is on-screen keyboard. On-screen keyboard, like your keyboard is opened up on the screen and you can simply use the keyboard with the help of mouse. You don't need to press multiple keys, or people having problem with the key pressing, they can use the on-screen keyboard for easily use. Next is high contrast. High contrast क्या है आपका? It's a window that shows setting for color and contrast. That is basically used for the people having color blindness. Next we have is cursor option. What is cursor option? It is an accessibility option that allows to change thickness of cursor. Cursor क्या है आपका? Pointing arrow on the screen that highlights the place of your insertion point. So with the cursor options we can change the thickness of cursor and we can change the style or the pattern of cursor. Next we have make mouse easier to use. What it will do? It will change the settings like color and size of mouse pointer. Okay, same way we have mouse keys. Mouse keys are the accessibility options that make keyboard to work as a pointing device. It will convert keyboard into a pointing device. Okay, next accessibility option we are having is sticky keys. Sticky keys क्या होंगे? This is the method of accessibility option in which the user is allowed to press and release modifier keys, and these modifier keys will remain active until any other key is used. So let's understand the use of sticky keys. Like someone is having a problem with the multiple key pressing. Okay, in that case, like sometime we need to use shortcut keys, and for that purpose we need to press multiple keys at a time. Like we need to press Alt plus F4 to close the current open window. For that purpose we need modifier keys. Modifier keys क्या होंगी? Control, Alt, Shift, ये सारी क्या है आपकी modifier keys. These are the keys that alter the various functioning of different keys. Okay, so sticky keys will enable to press modifier keys, and it will keep modifier keys active until we press any other key on the keyboard. Like if we need to press Alt plus F4, and in normal circumstances we need to press these two all together. Okay, but in case of impairment we are not able to press the two together, so for that purpose we have the accessibility option sticky keys. If we have turned on the sticky keys, then at one time we will press Alt, and Alt will remain active until F4 is pressed. Okay, next we have toggle keys. What are toggle keys? Toggle keys are the keys on keyboard that work on two states, like either they are turned on, either they are off. And like we have caps lock, num lock, scroll lock, all these are toggle keys. So for the vision impaired person, and they might have the problem either the toggle key is turned on or it is off. So for the, if we have activated toggle keys option in accessibility, then whenever any toggle key will be pressed, a sound will be released. Okay, so the work of vision impaired persons is made easy by enabling the toggle keys. They get a notifying sound whenever any toggle key is turned on. Next we have sound sentry. Sound sentry क्या होगा आपका? As the name suggests, it will be related to audible problems. So yes, this is the problem. This is the accessibility option that is related to auditory problems, and it will generate a visual warning whenever our computer system will generate a sound. जब भी हमारे सिस्टम से कोई साउंड जनरेट होगी तो जो ऑडिटरी इम्पेयर्ड पर्सन है उनके लिए ये क्या करेगा? एक विजुअल साइन जनरेट करेगा ऑन स्क्रीन. ओके, एंड लास्ट एक्सेसिबिलिटी ऑप्शन वी आर हैविंग इज फिल्टर की. Filter key, as the name suggests, it will be related to some filtration problem. Okay, so this is an accessibility option that ignores or slows down the repeated keystrokes. Like someone is having hand shivering, so if he will press a key, that will be pressed for multiple times. So for that reason, filter keys control the repeated rate, or they ignore the repeated keystrokes, or as per our requirement or as per our recommendations, they may check the keyboard repeat rates. So all these were our various accessibility options that can enable impaired or disabled persons to use the computer very easily. Thank you, class.